So hey guys, in this video we will see Indian cricketers who played for other country. Monang Patel, born in India, play for USA. Simi Singh, born in India, play for Ireland. Ravi Bopara, born in India, play for England. Vikramjit Singh, born in India, play for Netherlands. Nasir Hussain, born in India, play for England. Aizaz Patel, born in India, play for New Zealand. Saurav Netravalkar, born in India, play for USA. E. Sodhi, born in India, play for New Zealand. C.P. Rizwan, born in India, play for UAE. Jaskaran Malhotra, born in India, play for USA. Shreyas Mova, born in India, play for Canada. Aryansh Sharma, born in India, play for UAE. Nisarg Patel, born in India, play for USA. Ravindra Pal Singh, born in India, play for Canada. Sandeep Gaud, born in India, play for Oman. Rachin Ravindra, born in India, play for New Zealand. Nestor Dhamba, born in India, play for Oman. Basil Hamid, born in India, play for UAE. Suraj Kumar, born in India, play for Oman. Ashish Bagai, born in India, play for Canada. Jeetan Patel, born in India, play for New Zealand. Unmukh Chand, born in India, play for USA. Teja Nida Manuru, born in India, play for Netherlands. Keshav Maharaj, born in India, play for South Africa. Tanveer Sangha, born in India, play for Australia. Harmeet Singh, born in India, play for USA. Gurinder Sandhu, born in India, play for Australia. Anish Param, born in India, play for Singapore. Timil Patel, born in India, play for USA. Romesh Iranga, born in India, play for Canada. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.